guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to show you guys a product that I just got in the mail. I am going international traveling, so I wanted to get a new carry-on luggage that was worth the price. Usually I go to Marshalls or Ross or TJ Maxx for luggage, but I kind of wanted to be on the bougie side this time around. So today we're going to show you what the Monos carry-on luggage looks like. Yes, I paid about $240 something, $240 basically. It is, I think, $265, but I had a coupon, so I got it on sale. I got the regular Monos carry-on, and I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the top of it, when you open it, looks like this. Will you go back to the room like I asked? Sorry. I have a dog, they say. Trying to film content and having a dog is not the easiest. Anyways, it says Journey On. It has like their motto on here and all that. As you can see from right there, I'm gonna move y'all in a second. It is covered in the box. It's so cute. Look at that. That is exactly what you see inside the box. So here's what the package looks like outside of the box. Excuse my toes. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It comes with this fabric. I'm gonna assume it's polyester. It's like a zip tie. Not a zip tie, but a zip string bag thing. I don't actually know how to, let me get this out first. Okay, I finally got the strings untied. So just let it out like that. And I got the olive green color. I believe that's what it's called. Olive green. This is what the top of it looks like. Right here. And then this is what the side of it looks like from outside. So looking from the outside, this is what the top of it is. This is the handle, and then this is the other. Oh, that was nice how it came out. And then this is the front of it with the logo. It's got four wheels. There's a lock on the side of it, so I have to figure out how to do all that in a second. I'm not totally sure yet how that works. However, we will work through this together. There's a handle right here, and then, like we saw earlier, there's a button right here underneath the suitcase, and it just comes out so easily. See, my suitcase I have now is terrible. So you can spin it around, and it's so graceful. So here's that. So on the side right here, there's a TSA lock and like the numbers. I'm not gonna mess with the numbers just yet. However, in order to get these out, you just do this, my bad, and it comes out just like that. So I'm letting, look how easily it zips. Look, that is what it looks like when you open it. There are straps on this side, it looks like, and it compresses down, I believe, and then this is a pocket, and then on top over here there's also a pocket over here, one for this part, and I believe this is all the accessories for it. What it looks like when you open it. This was zipped up, I just opened it. There is a strap, two straps right here, and I believe this is a compression holder right here that you see, and then there's a pocket right here, and then you can open it from both sides, and we will look at that next. Then we have a pocket inside of here, and then there's accessories that I've already taken out. We will talk about the accessories here in a second. This is one opening, and then you open it again. I'm not trying to scratch it because I have hardwood floors, so give me one second. It's got one big opening over here, and then of course that, and then right here are like little bags where you can put your clothes in or whatever you like, maybe shoes I think. And then there's another one. This all comes in the bag. I did not order the accessories separately. And then I guess another one. So 2 small ones, and then you got 1 large one. And then this bag has more accessories, and oh, I didn't order that. Okay, hold on, I will show you what's in there. Inside the bag, it had the settings for the TS approved combination lock and how to take care of my suitcase. So it has a sponge in here, like it looks like a Mr. Erase, you know what I mean. The erase thingies, it looks like that. And you just wet it and you wipe, and it takes off the scuffed areas until the mark disappears. That's cool. And then on the other side, it has a little note that says, "Dear friend, this suitcase is more than just an empty vessel for belongings. It is an expression for our philosophy on traveling and living well, simply, thoughtfully, mindfully, beautifully. So journey on. We can't wait to experience the world with you." Is the little scruffy thingy luggage tag that comes with it. I did not know a luggage tag came with it, as they had one of these on the site and they were like $30-$40. I was like, I'll just get one off of Amazon. But it comes with one, so that's good. Discovered something. There is a little baggie that was right here in the middle. For that, my dog interrupted me for the 30th time. Okay. But anyways, this was in the middle right here, so that's cool. So I'm guessing you put like toothbrushes and stuff like that right there. And then we're going to figure this one out together. Don't make it harder than it seems when you try opening these. They're not that like crazy design or whatever. Here I am thinking you gotta open it with that. You literally just do this, y'all. Look. You just put it down. See how I forgot how to do it already that fast? Anyways, this is the side with the handle. But I believe this is the yes, that's what this is. This is the compression board. It's hard all the way around, and you put stuff in it. I'm going to assume you can put your laptop right here if you want to. So when TSA asks you to open your bag, it'll be right there. But then you have room underneath there. So basically, it just compresses in there, and then you can tighten it to your likings right here so that it's well compressed. And this is the model's bag.